We have designed and renovated over 14 bathrooms.
I've got a few more on my tally, but yeah, 14 together, yeah.
Which one's our favourite?
Definitely our house rules master ensuite. We probably push the envelope a little bit further with the stuff that we do. As with all renovations, it's about working with the existing architecture and colours. Now, in this house, there's a lot of timbers, there's lots of whites, flat colours. That suits an old Queenslander, which is what this is. So we're bringing that into the colour scheme with the cabinetry, having those nice creams with blacks, and then rolling it into the white with the brushed nickel is a really nice touch.
And part of the design brief as well was let's bring coastal into the home. So that's what we were trying to get in two totally different bathrooms that suit two totally different areas of the house.
It's been lovely to work with Highgrove Bathrooms again. What they do is they go above and beyond when it comes to just delivering products, working with you.
Especially when you've got clients. Going into the showroom, bringing the clients in, just puts them completely at ease. What's trending in the bathroom space? I would definitely say fluted glass, and not only just in the bathroom space, but all throughout the house as well.
And from the builder's side, I'm finding a lot of symmetry getting brought in, so whether that's through black tapware with black channels, I think that's a really nice touch of adding some luxury with a bit of modernism. I think that works really well.
When will you be seeing us renovating another home or a bathroom? Well, I'd like to say it will be ours.
Lots of big bathrooms, it's going to be a really big house. We're going to be pushing the envelope just a little bit further again.
I think there's about 4 bathrooms.
Yeah, I've still got on my hair for now, yeah. We'll get back to those conversations of we're doing the bathroom, yeah.
We are very excited.
We are very excited, yes.